Clearing a clogged toilet can be a simple task depending on what and where the obstruction is. Drain clearing chemicals are effective at clearing floor, tub, and sink drains, but not toilets. They won't reach the area of the clog because of the way a toilet is made, and they can etch and damage the porcelain in the toilet bowl. Instead, use one of these methods.
First, turn off the water supply to prevent overflows. Spread some newspaper or old towels around the base of the toilet to soak up any spills. Squirt a little bit of common dish soap into a half bucket of hot water. Use water that's hot enough to raise the temperature of the water around the clog, but not boiling. Pour the water in from waist level. The weight of the water can help clear the clog this way. Enzyme-based products work on slow-flowing drains by digesting buildup paper and organic waste. Pour the recommended amount into the drain and then give it time. Usually, you need to let it sit overnight. In most cases, a plunger can create enough pressure to clear a clog because of the way a drain is configured. A force ball type plunger, or the kind with a flap on the bottom, gets the best seal for a toilet. The larger the plunger, the more force you can put behind the clog. You'll need enough water in the toilet bowl to submerge the edges of the plunger completely. This helps to form the seal. You want to churn the water back and forth to work the clog loose. So press down firmly, but slowly. Let the plunger pop up and keep repeating the action. Don't overdo it on the pushing action. You may force the clog in further. If the bowl drains a little bit but the drain is still blocked, fill the bowl to its normal point and start plunging again. A closet auger or plumbing snake is best for deep clogs. The covered elbow of the guide tube protects the bowl from scratches. The flexible metal cord snakes through the curves of the pipe, and the sharp coiled tip helps grab onto the clog. Slide it into the drain. Twist the crank to snake the coil through the drain until it reaches the clog. Continue to crank until the auger becomes tight. This action will usually grab the object causing the clog, then crank in reverse to pull it up. If something like a child's toy gets flushed down the drain, remove the toilet and run the auger through the bottom.
If none of this works, your problem may be deeper in the plumbing lines. You probably need to call a plumber.
Disinfect the toilet bowl and any other tools you use so you don't spread bacteria. Regularly clean under the rim around the toilet bowl's edge so the jets don't clog with minerals. That way the toilet can flush at full power. To stop an overflow from happening, turn off the valve to the toilet or open up the toilet tank and push the flapper down. If the bowl overflows, use a wet vac to clean up any spills, then disinfect.
For more helpful tips and advice, visit your neighborhood Ace and find us online at acehardware.com.